Welcome to newunderstandings.com, the home for my book, The Numerical Universe. The book sets out to show that there exists a numerical, geometric, and musical structure to the universe. The proposal is simply that there is only order in the universe and that we are not all here by virtue of some incredible stroke of luck. The universe is instead shown to be the effect produced by a perfectly balanced, always in equilibrium, numerical order inherent to the decimal system of numbers 0 to 9. A complete understanding of this system of number is the gateway to both a perfect understanding of everything in the universe and a personal enlightenment. We do not have to believe in an intelligent design for creation. We can know absolutely. Schumpeter's idea of creative destruction, which describes the process of an inherent and incessant revolution in the economic structure, forever destroying the old one and constantly creating the new one, is again ushering in the perennial philosophy advanced by Plato and Pythagoras, which will once more lead us out of the darkness. When the true nature of nature is revealed, so will it in turn lead to a return to living in harmony with nature and the universe. It is ignorance that causes war and divisiveness among men, nothing more. The first part of the book is called the Numerical Structure, where I use modular arithmetic and Mod 9 exclusively, and the topology of the torus. The work in this section shows how the decimal system of numbers operates by using number pairs and number groups, and how these can be identified in every important natural number sequence. A comparative study of musical tuning, 440 Hz versus 432 Hz, follows before my groundbreaking work on prime numbers, where using modular arithmetic, I offer a solid case for reclassification of prime and composite numbers in order to see that there really is no mystery or chaos here at all, only order. This is followed by the section on numbers and the structure of reality, where I advance what resembles the structure for a type of string theory to explain the structure of temporal quanta, which contains and expresses physical reality. After this comes the vortex theory of atoms, thanks to collaborator Talal Ghanam, who has written a truly brave and important book, The Mystery of Numbers. He has very kindly allowed me to extract from the book at will and reproduce here, which sets the scene for a greater understanding of the numerical aspect of particle physics. This section finishes with a study of two-digit numbers and provides new insights into recurring decimals and their properties crucial to give meaning to the integer partition theory. The second part of the book is called DNA and Amino Acids, the Game Unpacked. In this section, DNA is shown to be a resonance where the octave and perfect fifth, the most consonant intervals in music, are in evidence in the relationship between the base pairs which code for the group of amino acids common to all biology, and which indicates that Walter Russell's octave wave theory of the chemical elements is most likely accurate as displayed by the relationship between carbon and hydrogen in the numbers produced. There are also some startling numerical correspondences with physical and cosmological structures. The evidence presented would seem to emphatically mean that our DNA could not have progressed in any kind of incremental, random, chaotic way, but was rather produced instantaneously in a kind of ta-da moment, causing it to take form fully. The last part of the book is called Integer Partition Theory. Here I propose that the unfolding of number in the integer partition table is in fact the algorithm for the machine that we perceive as physical reality. At the turn of the 20th century, an Indian mathematician called Ramanujan, who was widely considered to be the greatest of mathematicians, discovered patterns in this table, and much of his reputation was gained from having done so. I have gone a great deal further, and being armed with the understanding picked up in the earlier parts of the research, this has allowed me to see something profound. In this section, I've produced an enormous amount of evidence which will explain the central mystery of natural philosophy, the fine structure constant, that has so obsessed some of the greatest thinkers of the 20th century. In addition, by using Einstein's famous equation, I've been able to deduce, for example, that the universe can only be one age, so that if, for example, you and I were able to experience the passing of 1 billion years on Earth, and we then measured the age of the universe again, we would still discover it was 1.37 billion years old. Time is an illusion. There is only now. The conclusion is that there is only order in the universe, no chaos, except from the egoic perspective. Numbers are seen to organize themselves in such a way that they unfold as an elegant geometric integration, the integration of light and vibration that forms all things. Hard evidence of this ancient knowledge may be found in analysis of the Great Pyramid, Stonehenge, famous cathedrals like Wells and Chartres, and all the megalithic sites that are shouting this numerical canon that it may never be lost. Enduring mysteries concerning prime numbers, photosynthesis, Plato, Dante's 55 stele, the 153 fish in the Bible, and the Sator Square, recovered from the ruins of Pompeii, all can be readily explained and understood by application of this number theory.